Yeah, 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 yeah. You cooking with P. Yeah, 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 yeah. You cooking with P. Yep. You cooking with P. You cooking with P.
Hey, what's up everybody, and welcome back to Cooking with P. Now I promise you this was going to be short. Went to visit my son about a month ago, and he has some friends that hunt deer, and so they donated to the cause and they gave me some deer. Actually, we call it venison sausage. So I got some venison sausage. I've had venison sausage before, but wasn't really impressed. But this is by far the best venison sausage that I've ever had. And we're just gonna put it on a hot dog bun with a little coleslaw mustard and a little ketchup maybe. Maybe a little cheese. Getting hungry. Okay, be right back. Remember, Cooking with P. Okay, so here's my venison smoked sausage that I got from my homie in the Navy. Well, that's my son's homie. But anyway, you can see it's not really shaped like hot dogs, but we'll do the best we can. So we're gonna take this. Yeah, that looks about like a hot dog. Do one over here, and then these curves. Just cut these into little chunks. May put some in some chili. I don't know. That's the plan. Okay, so I got my little venison hot dogs ready, and I'm gonna heat up my air fryer. And I'm not gonna cook it very long. I think for the majority of it, it's already been cooked some kind of way. Probably about 3 minutes in the air fryer on about 300. So anyway, we're gonna pop these in and let it do what it do. Remember, you cooking with P. Be right back. Okay, so my air fryer's been heating up for about 4 minutes. So we about to get this thing popping and cracking. Okay, so my timer just went off, and smells very similar to pork sausage. Just that's the ingredients they use to make it sausage. But it's gonna be really hot on that tray, so I'm gonna go over here and get it out, and I'll bring it over and show you what it looks like. Okay, you can see what it looks like. It's got a little brownness to it. But like I said, the aroma is amazing. I guess I'm gonna try one of these little small pieces first before I attempt to put it on my hot dog buns. All right. Oh yeah, it kind of has the texture of, I guess, Polish sausage. That's what I'm thinking of. Matter of fact, I put it in my, you see the juice that came off? See that? Okay, we're gonna give it a taste. Still a little hot, but not too bad. It's real good. Wow. It's real good. There's something in there that I'm gonna have to find out, because there's something in there that kind of has a sweet flavor, and I've never tasted it in venison sausage or in pork sausage or any kind of sausage. But it's really it's powerful, but it's sweet at the same time. It's really weird. Wish you guys could taste it. Okay. All right, it's bun time now. So I ain't going into all of that, but You already know what that's gonna do. So anyway, thank you for watching Cooking with P. See you next time. Peace. Okay, there you go. Now you see it.
PJTV.